talking about your weekend plans, past, present, and future tense in simple English. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about weekend plans in simple English. I will show you how to talk about what you did last weekend, what you are doing this weekend, and what you will do next weekend. This is great practice for learning past, present, and future tense in English. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what you did last weekend. When you talk about something that already happened, you need to use the past tense. Here are some examples. Example 1. Last weekend, I visited my friend. I used the past tense of visit, which is visited. Example 2. I went to the park on Saturday. We use went as the past tense of go. Third example. On Sunday, I watched a movie at home. Here, watched is the past tense of watch. Dear learners, you can use these sentences to talk about your weekend. Now, let's practice. Think about what you did last weekend and say it in English. You can say something like, I visited my family or I went shopping. Repeat after me. Last weekend, I went shopping. On Saturday, I visited my family. On Sunday, I watched a movie. Now, let's talk about what you are doing this weekend. When you talk about plans that are happening now or very soon, you can use the present continuation tense. The present continuation is formed by using am, is, are with an action verb ending in ing. Here's how. Example 1. This weekend, I am going to a restaurant with my family. It means I am using am going to show it is happening soon. Example 2. I am visiting my friend on Saturday. I used am visiting because It's planned for this weekend. Example 3. On Sunday, I am relaxing at home. This is also present continuation. Am relaxing. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. This weekend I am going to the park. On Saturday I am visiting my grandparents. On Sunday I am reading a book. Next, let's talk about future plans. If you want to talk about what you are going to do next weekend, you use the future tense. The future tense is formed by using will or am going to. Here's how. Example 1. Next weekend I will go to the beach. We use will to talk about something that will happen. Example 2. I am going to visit my friend next weekend. We can also use am going to for future plans. Example 3. Next Sunday, I will go to a restaurant. Again, will go is used for future actions. Now, let's practice talking about future plans. Repeat after me. Next weekend, I will visit my family. Next Saturday, I am going to see a movie. On Sunday, I will relax at home. Let's now compare the three tenses. I will give you an example sentence in the past, present, and future so you can see how they change. Past tense. Last weekend I went to the park. Present tense. This weekend I am going to the park. Future tense. Next weekend I will go to the park. Let's try some more examples together. I will say a sentence in the past and you can change it to the present and future. I visited my friend. Present. I am visiting my friend. Future. I will visit my friend. I watched a movie. Present. I am watching a movie. Future. I will watch a movie. This will help you practice the different tense. Now let's practice asking and answering questions about weekend plans. Asking about last weekend. The question is, what did you do last weekend? Answer: last weekend I went to the park. Asking about this weekend. Question is, what are you doing this weekend? Answer is, this weekend I am going to a restaurant. Asking about next weekend. The question is, what will you do next weekend? Answer: next weekend I will visit my family. Dear learners, try asking yourself these questions and answering them to practice more. Dear learners, that's it for today. Now you know how to talk about your weekend plans using past, present, and future tense. You can talk about what you did last weekend, what you are doing now, and what you will do next weekend. Practice these sentences at home and you will feel more confident using them in conversation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons on simple spoken English. See you next time.